A moment of mindfulness. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Allow yourself to sink into the present moment and let go of any thoughts or worries about the past or future. As you breathe in, feel the air fill your lungs and imagine it energizing your body with fresh oxygen. As you exhale, release any tension or stress in your body and feel yourself becoming more relaxed. Now, bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and imagine sending warm, soothing energy to those places. As you do this, allow yourself to fully accept and embrace your physical experience in this moment. Next, shift your focus to your thoughts and emotions. Without judgment or criticism, simply observe whatever is present in your mind. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise and allow them to come and go like passing clouds in the sky. Remember that you are not your thoughts or emotions. You are the observer, the witness, of your inner experience. Finally, take a moment to appreciate this moment of stillness and presence. Recognize the power and potential of the present moment, and know that you can access this state of mindfulness and awareness whenever you choose. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the world around you, feeling more grounded, centered, and at peace. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.